In this video, I want to show you how to remove the filter from iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. To do this, first you will need to click on the button right here to remove the dustbin. Then we can grab it, and now to actually access the filter, which is located on the left right here, you need to grab it like this and then just wiggle it out. And now you can clean it using running water. Make sure not to use any brushes on it, otherwise it will get damaged. And before inserting it back in right here, make sure it's fully dry, otherwise your robot might not work properly or you can damage the filter. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.